to be my first ever real vlog because the vlog that we uploaded months ago was just for our research project. So for today's video, I will be doing the what's in my summer makeup kit. Plus a get ready with me kasi gumawa ako ng question and answer sa aking Finsta kung ano yung vlog na una kong gagawin. And ito yung nanalo. So without further ado, let's just get started. So bago ko gawin tong look na ginagawa ko, every time I go out, every time I go to the mall, ngayong summer, I will show you my summer makeup kit. So this is how my summer makeup kit looks like. Ayan, simple lang siya, black na net. I think net ata yung tawag dito sa ganyan. Kaya gusto ko to kasi nakikita mo yung mga laman niya sa loob. And it's very convenient kasi kunwari gusto ko lang kunin tong lipstick. At least alam ko kung nasa na siya, hindi ko na siya kailangan ilabas pa and all. Kaya yun. So ito yung mga laman ng aking summer makeup kit. First, of course, is my sunblock. This is the Erase Sunblock with moisturizer. Ito na rin yung ginagamit ko, guys, as my moisturizer. This has SPF 40. Yan, available to sa Watsons. And next is my Peri Pera Ink Lasting Mint Cushion in the shade number 2, beige. Sobrang ganda lang ng shade nito, guys, kasi very, very sa skin tone ko siya. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Ganyan yung itsura niya. You can get this at Altea Korea. I don't know kung ano yung price niya, pero papakita ko na lang sa inyo para if ever gusto niyo mag-purchase nito. Ayan. Bili lang kayo sa Altea Korea. And also, this one, ginagamit ko rin siya as my concealer kasi hindi ko alam. Kasi every time I use this product, natatakpan niya naman niya yung mga blemishes ko like my pimple marks since kakagaling ko lang sa breakout. Kaya I really, really love this product. And then next is this one. This is what I use for my eyebrows. Ayan, nabibili lang to sa mga butik-butik. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. And next is my curler. Ito siya, guys. And my Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. Sa Watsons lang dito nabibili. I think 199 pesos lang. And for my eyeliner, I'm using this Super Extend Extreme from Avon. Actually, wala nang laman to. Pero nire-refill ko siya ng eyeliner kasi mas okay siyang ipanglagay. Parang nagpe-paint ka lang ng face. Ganyan. And next is I forgot. This Careline Oil Control face powder in the shade Chestnut. Kasi guys, since summer talagang yung mga product na ginagamit ko sa face ko is yung mga pang-control ng oil. Kasi grabe talaga ako magmantika. My skin is from normal to oily skin. Ayan siya. Minsan combination, pero madalas oily talaga. So, mga ganyan yung mga ginagamit kong product. And also, yung aking Ink Lasting Cushion Oil Control din to. Mura lang to, less than 100 pesos. And then next is, of course, my spoolie. Ito yung ginagamit ko ito lang yung ginagamit kong spoolie para dun sa aking eyeliner. Eyeliner ba? Basta yung nilalagay ko sa kilay. Eyeliner ba to? Eyebrow pencil! Sorry, eyebrow pencil pala yun. Yung sa eyeliner pala is yung dito. And then next is my lipstick from Vice Cosmetics. Iba-iba naman yung lipstick na ginagamit ko, pero for this video, I'm using this Vice Cosmetics. In the shade, ano to? Exa? Basta yun, guys. Ayan. Ayan yung shade niya. Ayaw mag-focus. And then for my lip and cheek tint, I'm using this Flormar Lip and Cheek Tint. Ayan yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan, yan yung shade niya. Ayan. This was given to me by my friend from Eds. Thank you, Eds, for this. I love it. And then next, this oil control film. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, guys, madalas ako mag-oil. Actually, kapag matagal na ako naka-expose sa labas and then hindi ako nagre-retouch kahit powder lang, doon na mag-start mag-oil yung skin ko. Kaya, instead of magre-retouch ako ng powder, ito na lang yung ginagamit ko. Ayan siya, guys. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ayan. And then, optional lang to Contouring palette from LA Colors. Ayan, nagko-contour lang naman ako, minsan lang naman. So, ito yung contour niya and then ito yung highlight niya. Pero hindi ko ginagamit yung highlight kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo, oily talaga ako. So, minsan hindi ko na kailangan mag-highlight kasi may instant highlight na ako sa oil ko. So, before I do my makeup, I always make sure that my hair is tied up and gagamitin ko rin yung aking pink cat ears headband, which is my favorite one. And for my sunblock, I will be using this Erase Sunblock with SPF 40. I-apply ko lang siya sa aking face and of course to my neck area, and then i-spread out ko lang yung product sa mukha ko. And then for my cushion, I use this Peripera Ink Lasting Cushion in the shade number 2 beige. For me, sobrang ganda ng product na to kasi nga, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, hindi na ako gumagamit ng concealer para sa aking mga pimple marks kasi kusa na niyang natatakpan. And guys, sorry pala if parang mukha ako nagsasalita sa video because dapat talaga yung video na yan is nagsasalita talaga ako. But in the middle of the video, I decided to just put a voiceover na lang. And for my face powder, I am using this Careline in the shade Chestnut. Then gagamitin ko lang ang aking powder brush para ma-spread out yung product sa face ko. And then for my eyebrows, yung shade ng brows na ginagamit ko is medium brown. Medyo dark brown siya, hindi naman siya super black pero brown lang siya. And then, i-shape ko lang ng konti yung aking eyebrows para medyo ma-fill up lang yung mga may space. And kasi manipis din yung kilay ko, kaya kailangan ko din talaga gawin yung eyebrows ko. And then next, sa kabila naman, and then for my eyeliner, gagamitin ko lang yung aking Avon na eyeliner. And i-refill ko siya ng color black na liquid eyeliner. And for my mascara, I will be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And i-curl ko lang yung lashes ko. And then lalagyan ko na siya ng mascara. And for my lip and cheek tint, I am using this Flormar Lip and Cheek. At dahil sobrang pigmented nito, konti lang yung ilalagay ko sa aking face para maging light lang yung aking blush on. And then next, I am using this LA Colors Contour Palette. Ayan, magko-contour lang ako ng nose ng konti. And okay na. And lastly is my lipstick. And for my lipstick, I am using this Vice Cosmetics in the shade Exage. Sobrang ganda ng shade na to kasi hindi naman siya sobrang dark and hindi rin siya sobrang light. So that's it guys for my makeup look. basically it. Thank you guys for watching. If you do like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to give me a thumbs up. And you can also suggest videos you want to see on my channel next. Bye guys! I'll see you on my next one.